In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending TikTok Shop products on Kalodata. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. From the results, click the official site. Make sure you're on the legitimate page by checking the URL and that your connection is secure. Once you're there, log into your account so the full dashboard and filters are available. Before you do anything else, confirm that your searches are set to TikTok. There's a drop-down right beside the Kalodata logo. Switch it to TikTok so every metric and result you see reflects TikTok Shop activity rather than other marketplaces or platforms. Next, head over to the Product Analysis tab. This is where Kalodata aggregates performance data, so you can quickly spot what's taking off right now. Set the time range to the past 7 days. This keeps your view focused on fresh momentum rather than long, stale charts. Viral cycles on TikTok move quickly, so a 7-day window helps you catch products that are trending at this moment. Now apply a weekly growth filter between 200 and 500%. This range captures items that are accelerating fast without being so explosive that they're already saturated. Too little growth can signal weak interest, while sky-high spikes often burn out or draw heavy competition. If you're building a themed store, select a niche like beauty or pet accessories. If you're still exploring, browse all categories to discover blue ocean sectors, areas with demand but relatively low competition. Keep an open mind. Sometimes the winners are unexpected problem solvers. Focus on products priced between $15 and $45. This is a sweet spot for impulse buys on TikTok. Affordable enough to convert quickly, yet high enough to leave room for ad spend and fees. Double-check that the price aligns with perceived value and won't get crushed by shipping costs. Validate creator activity next. Trending products typically have 5 to 15 different creators promoting them. If a single shop or creator dominates, the product may not have broad viral potential. Click into a product, scroll down, and select Creator to see the list and gauge variety. Review the revenue graph and look for a steady upward trend. Avoid items that show a sharp drop right after a peak. That can indicate fad behavior or a campaign that's already fizzled. Finally, study the exact videos and live streams driving sales. Note the hooks, angles, and demos that resonate. Use these as inspiration to refine your own creative and positioning. Follow these steps, and you'll consistently surface products with real momentum on TikTok Shop using Kalodata.